Hey guys, we back on another video, and today we're unboxing this Otto sensor soap pump by Umbra. So this is like one of those soap pumps where you put your hand under it and the soap kind of comes out. So you don't gotta click no buttons or anything. You don't gotta do nothing of that. So this was on sale. This was like $24. Yeah, $24. Its original price was $39. 24 Canadian dollars, I should specify. This is on Amazon.ca. So yeah, it's around the package a little bit. This is supposed to be this like little blue light on top, but yeah, so you can like refill it with all that soap. I'm pretty sure this takes like 2 batteries or whatever. I'm gonna do a little after 1 week of using it video, I guess you can say. I'm gonna see, because there's a lot of reviews on Amazon with customers being like you know, like the soap wouldn't come out sometimes and all that, and it wouldn't work properly. So I'm gonna figure it out for myself, and I'm gonna try to get this open. Fuck. Packaging is quite difficult to take out. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but alright, just like that. It looked quite nice in the pictures. I'm hoping it looks nice face to face. Down. Alright, there's some papers over there. There it is. Oh my god, four fucking batteries. Fucking hell, man. This is gonna fuck me over. I don't think I have any batteries, but I'm gonna have to get some. Shit. Alright. So it comes in this. There's nothing else in there. So here's the thing. Damn, it's quite bigger than you expect it to be, honestly. And it's kind of like a light gold. I thought it would be like silverish, but you know, it looks kind of light goldish, which isn't a very big issue to me. Oh, and that's where you put all the batteries in. Oh crap, there's a little foam or whatever. Okay, so there's the sensor right there, and okay, screws. That's where the soap's supposed to come out. This is where you're supposed to put in your whatever soap you want to use, I guess. So it says something in there. Let's see. Oh my god, my skin. Okay, so fuck. Let's just pull this off. Okay, so there's a little cap for it over here. Okay, you just put it over, I guess. There's a thing, you fill that up and you close it. Yeah, like that. So I'm gonna come back with some batteries, guys, and some soap. I'm gonna fill this up and see if it works. So see you guys in a second. Alright guys, I'm back, and so I opened the bottom. You need 4 AAA batteries. So I got 4 of them right here. I'm gonna take this off real quick. There you go. There. And fuck, there's the last one. Alright, I'm not sure exactly if these work. We'll find out, I guess. There's one. There's another one. Fuck. Alright, and the last one. Alright, shit, that's a lot of batteries, guys. That's a lot. So I'm gonna put the cover back on. Take the screw. Wait, what the fuck? Why is this bulging? Never mind. Alright, I'm gonna get my screwdriver real quick. Shit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the soap I'm gonna use. I'm not sure which soaps work better, because some soaps might be a little bit more liquidish or more liquefied or whatever. And some soaps might be more closer to a solid, but this is the soap I'm gonna be putting in. I don't know if that's gonna. It's kind of. It jiggles, I guess. Fuck. All right, so I'll see you guys back in another second, and you know, fill it up with the soap and see what happens. All right, guys, we're back. So I filled it up. Let me take this out. Yeah, it's in there. Trust me, don't overfill this. It was quite easy to overfill it. I just kept on putting it in and in until it just got overfilled. Let me just move my camera up a little bit. All right, so there, we're gonna close it. And to turn this on, I'm not sure how it's supposed to turn on. Fuck. Yeah, I'm not sure at all how it's supposed to turn on. Fuck. I should have checked this out. Alright guys, I'll see you guys back in a second. Fuck. Alright guys, it took me like 30 seconds, so I opened the cap up and you're gonna find this little button right here. It's like the on switch or whatever. I'm pretty sure you just click that. What the fuck? What? No. There you go. Hell yeah. Alright, what kind of... Oh yeah. Alright, so as you can see there guys, it works quite well. Let me close this up again. I have a lot of soap in my hand. And it seems to be working quite well right now. And yeah, so I'll come back after a week. I'll post this video, I'll make another video after a week, and show you guys the results. You know, I guess like if it doesn't work all the time or if it's stuttering or something like that. So thanks so much for watching. Appreciate everyone watching. Please subscribe, like if you like the video, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.